Hello, my name is Christian Tran, and welcome to my research presentation of student preferences on online learning. For this presentation, I wanted to propose the option of applying greater online learning for college students across the country for the College Educators Orders Association. For this, I wanted to address the student preferences from online learning compared to on-site learning, as well as the issues and benefits from online learning. One, let's talk about the issues and benefits of online learning. Some of the issues from online learning include technical problems, which include issues with email sending and a lack of personal interactions between students and teachers, and learner motivation. The issues are offset by the advantages of online learning, such as students attending classes at their own specific times and locations, learning their class material in small doses, and learning at their own pace. For this, I've created a survey in Google Forms explaining the advantages and disadvantages of online learning, whether or not class material is easier to learn online, and whether or not they would prefer to the participants for this survey would prefer to learn online, on-site, or through hybrid courses. The same, and for how they would like their professors to teach their future classes. To gather data from the survey, I used an Excel spreadsheet and categorized the data according to the 11 participants and their results through mean, median, and mode, according to their answers to the questions I presented them. For data visualization, I've recreated the data through a pivot chart and considering the results from the mean, median, and mode I got from their answers, and a chart to gather their own answers to the survey questions I presented to them. And according to the chart, the majority of the participants believe that the freedom to access their course at their own time is the greatest advantage of learning online, and the lack of interpersonal interactions between students and professors is one of the greatest disadvantages of online learning. To give an example, overall, compared to online learning and on-site learning, hybrid learning or blended courses will allow college to access their courses in their own time and attend personal on specific days. As such, despite online learning being a viable choice of learning and for students, blended learning can be the best choice for students to succeed in college, with some activities and on-site courses being replaced or inverted by online learning as a result. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.